You got a power switch on the back?
You all right?
There's got to be a power switch on the back somewhere. Yeah.
I'm not fixing that one, Dan.
I know the
I had to see sometimes. Sit there. He was underneath.
Dan Perkins here. Is it true that you're the most exciting driver in
I don't know about that. Wreck a lot of
Yeah, you do.
I didn't want to wreck this one today, but things happen. God, Tweety's gonna love this. Training wheels. I need them.
Put this one back together.
I was leaning in.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. These bodies are cheap.
Shaking.
Oh yeah.
No, it was fun. Still shaking.
Oh yeah. It was a ride.
Come on, tell us the story.
We were going one way and then went another. Definitely a wild ride, I can tell you that.
Yeah, we'll come to the fingernails.
And they walked away.
Give me a thumbs up.